So we discussed topic from where we left. So I hope it is audible and visible to all. Okay. We can see the topic. Define a reflection of light. So yeah, reflection of light. So what is a reflection of light? Reflection of light. Reflection of light. Reflection of light. The reflection of light is nothing but the bouncing back of the light from the reflecting surface is called reflection of light. And state the laws of reflection. State the laws of reflection. State laws of reflection. Okay. Yes. So everything is fine. Right. Yes. Now, state laws of reflection. Laws of reflection is nothing but the incident ray, reflected ray, normal line lies on the same plane. Angle of incident equal to angle of reflection. That is one point. And one more thing, define regular reflection and irregular reflection also they asked. Regular reflection. If the incident beam is parallel and reflected beam also parallel, then that type of reflection is called regular reflection. If incident beam is parallel but reflected beam is not parallel, then the type of reflection is called irregular reflection. And list the characters of the image formed by the plane mirror they ask. So what type of image nature? So image is real, virtual erect and same size. Virtual erect and same size. Object distance is equal to image distance. Object distance is equal to image distance. And you can see here, whatever we are considering, whatever we are observing, that one object distance I already said, right? Object distance is equal to image distance. Clear? Then and object height is equal to image height. Object height is equal to image height. And one more thing, it also shows lateral inversion. So what is the lateral inversion? What is the lateral inversion? The phenomena of converting of right side of the object appears to be left side of the image, and the left side of the object appears to be right side of the image. Sir, how many times you explaining the same concept? You are repeating these things like many times. Yeah, of course. See, repetition is very important. So it's not about only studying and leaving. You must repeat. Like so many times, if you repeat, it goes in your mind. It fixes it. So automatically, even so without knowing, you can able to tell the answer like that. Okay, so that's enough. That's enough. Coming to the point, the name the phenomena responsible for the following effect. When we sit in front of a plane mirror, and write with our right hand and it appears in the left side, and we are writing with the left hand, it appearing right side. So that phenomenon is called lateral inversion. And what type of image is formed in the plane mirror? The image is formed in the plane mirror is virtual, erect, and same size. So virtual, erect, and same size. See, if the object is real, image will be virtual. If the object is virtual, image will be real. Okay, it depends. So vice versa. Okay, if the condition is very important. If the object is real, image is virtual. If the object is virtual, image is real. So vice versa it takes place. And what type of image is formed on the cinema screen? And cinema screen real image will form, because so the screen is irregular, so reflection takes place, then a real image will form. Differentiate between a real image from a virtual image. So real image and virtual image. See here, real image means directly the reflector light rays will meet. Virtual image means extension of reflector light rays. And it can be formed on the screen. Real image, it can be formed on the screen, whereas virtual image we cannot caught on the screen. And real image always inverted. See, image will be real image always inverted, whereas virtual image always erect. And real image formed on the concave mirror and convex lens also. So in concave mirror, real image will form. After reflection, light rays will meet at one point. Even convex lens also, after refraction, light rays will meet at one point on the principal axis. Convex lens. So in concave mirror, reflection takes place, whereas convex lens, refraction takes place, right? Yes. Virtual image can be formed. Where it will form? Can you guess it? Where virtual image will form? Can you? If you know the answer, let me know. So virtual image will form on convex. Yes, convex mirror. Always virtual erect and diminished image will form. Even concave lens also. Convex mirror and concave lens. Even plane mirror also virtual image will form. Okay. What is the radius of curvature of plane mirror? Infinity. Radius of curvature is infinity. And what is the power of plane mirror? Power is 0. R equal to 2F. F equal to R by 2. So if focal length is R by 2, R is infinity. So automatically focal length is infinity. Then power P equal to reciprocal of focal length, infinity, 1 by 0. So reciprocal will be 0. Power will be 0. Power of plane mirror is 0. Power of plane mirror is what? 0. Understood? Yes. Okay, then come to the next point. What is the value of speed of light in free space? Speed of light they ask. So speed of light is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay. And what is the difference between regular reflection and irregular reflection? In regular reflection, see, in regular reflection, reflected beam is parallel. In irregular reflection, a reflected beam is not parallel because those are diffused. Light rays will be moving here and there, right? So there is a irregular reflection. And coming to what type of reflection of light takes place on cinema screen. Cinema screen, irregular reflection. Cinema screen, irregular reflection. On plane mirror, regular reflection. On cardboard, what type of reflection takes place on cardboard? Irregular reflection. Still water, surface of lake, regular reflection. Still water means regular reflection. A wall reflect light and a mirror also reflect light. What difference is there in the way they reflect light? Here, wall reflect light means it is a rough surface. Wall reflects. See, you can see on the screen backside of me. So light is reflecting because it's diffusing. So here and there it is reflecting. But plane mirror you see, so it reflect smoothly. Okay, so in a regular format. Understood? Next one, so that's why that is a regular reflection. Are the loss of reflection all good for all surfaces? Regular reflection, yes. So loss of reflection is valid for all the surfaces. Loss of reflection is valid for all the. Under what conditions an arrangement of two plane mirror, incident ray, reflected ray will always be parallel to each other? Whatever may be angle of incidence, show the same with the help of diagram. Actually, what is a lens? Convex lens. Actually, here convex lens forms real image. Under virtual image also it will form at the last case. Ashish. Yes. Convex lens forms real image as well as virtual image. But a concave lens forms virtual image. Yes. Thank you, Ashish. Please tell in Hindi. मैं थोड़ा आता, तो हिंदी थोड़ा आता. Please excuse. So मैं बात करता हूँ, मैं टीच करता हूँ. So in future, surely. Okay, done. Come to the point. So what are the use of plane mirror? Okay. Thank you. What are the use of plane mirror? Yes, you can see. See, this is my handwritten notes. I have written in with my own hands. With my own hands. I have written. So all the chapters of grade 10 and see. It's not only grade 10, it will be not only helpful for grade 10, it also helpful for grade 12 in optics. So optic chapters, this will be very helpful. Whatever inputs I am giving, those inputs are very helpful. Even JE and NEET also, those who are attempting, those who are going to attempt, for them also, for real aspirants, really struggling so much day and night, okay, working so hard. For them, surely it will be helpful. It's very, very crucial, important, very crucial topics, very important topics only I'm teaching. So just follow that one. And here, what are the use of plane mirror? They're used for looking glass, and they're used in construction of periscope and kaleidoscope. Usually we will use to play with those things, and they're used in solar cookers also, plane mirrors. Okay, so every day we are looking no in the mirror, so that is for looking glass also. Write the properties of image formed by a plane mirror, as we discussed many times. So image is virtual, erect, and same size. Object distance is equal to image distance. It also shows lateral inversion. What is the lateral inversion? Immediately see, quick. Answers must be quick, very quick. So it should be like a flow. It should be like a flow. So what is the lateral inversion? Lateral inversion is nothing but the phenomena of converting a right side of the object appears to be left side, and left side of the object appears to be right side. Like that, quick. You must be with super quick. So answers must be like this. Sir, you can teach chemistry. So I'm hoping the best for chemistry, but I'm good in physics. So chemistry I will try, but not that much as I teach physics. So I can teach maths also. Maths, I'm good in maths. I'm good in physics, but little bit in chemistry. So we have to talk, right? Yes. Okay then. Next we'll go with the magnification produced by plane mirror is +1. So here they mentioned the magnification produced by plane mirror is +1. What does mean? Actually, see here, magnification is nothing but height of the image by height of the object. The magnification mirror is height of the image by height of the object. Height of the image means normally you see object height by object height, object image height by object height. Image anyway virtual, erect, and same size. Even object also same thing. So one by one. So one unit +1 means the image is virtual, erect, and same size. So here you have to understand +1 and -1. +1 comes in plane mirror. Only in plane mirror only it is possible +1. -1. 1 will come only two cases. In convex lens, concave mirror. Convex lens, concave mirror, and plane mirror. So positive, negative. Negative value comes in convex and concave mirror. See, these are very, very important sign conventions. You have to remember very well, because these sign conventions we have to use for solving the problems. Very important. These sign conventions are very helpful to solve the problems. See, in this chapter mostly we can expect the problem, even theory also, because there are gunshot questions are there in the chapter. Light reflection, diffraction, sign conventions. Definitely one question will come. No doubt at all, either theory or problem, surely one question comes from the chapter. That much important the chapter. That is light reflection and diffraction. Okay. So here you can see the magnification produced by the plane mirror is +1 means height of the image by height of the object. So both are same. So +1 means the image is virtual, erect, and same size. That's why we are taking positive sign. Okay then. Paraxial rays, the rays which are close to the principal axis. See, to get brighter image, sharper image, to see the real position and proper position of the image, so we are taking the paraxial rays many cases. Why we are taking the paraxial rays? The rays which are very close to the principal axis, after reflection those light rays will meet at one point on the principal axis. That's why we are taking the paraxial rays. So marginal rays we will take, because marginal rays, see, it's the curvature is wider range. See, this much range will be there, this much range. So the principal axis is like this, so the rays which are very close to the principal axis, after reflection immediately the image will form here. Whereas here reflection takes place entire the curvature, right? Reflection takes place entire the curvature. So the light rays which are hitting the mirror at this position, those rays are called marginal rays. Okay, paraxial rays means the rays which are very closer to the principal axis. So that's why those are called paraxial rays. And so that is about paraxial rays and marginal rays. So next spherical mirror. See, this is my handwritten notes. I already said, so I wrote with complete brief the explanation of grade 10 physics content. So it's very helpful, very useful. If you want notes, so you can follow. Even this notes also will be helpful. Okay, I'll share the notes. So follow my YouTube channel, and I'll try to upload even a Telegram channel also. I'll be uploading WhatsApp channel also. I'll be uploading. So just check once. So free of cost. So I'll give the notes. So freely I'll share. And spherical mirrors. The mirror which is in the form of curved shape, those are called spherical mirrors. There are two types of spherical mirrors are there: concave mirror and convex mirror. So concave mirror and convex mirror. So what is the concave mirror? Reflection takes place inward. Reflection takes place inward. Those are called concave mirror. Reflection takes place outward. Those are known as convex mirror. Okay. So that is about concave mirror and convex mirror. So I hope it is very clear. And terms related to spherical mirror we will discuss in the next class. So until then, bye bye. See you. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.